my god! Hello friends, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. This is actually the day after Christmas for me. I did not open or unbox any of my gifts, so today I am opening and unboxing my gifts with you. I will show you what I got. Yesterday was more about the food. In a Jamaican family, the food is a highlight, so we were cooking and eating and drinking and having a really good time. And then we were playing games and Monopoly and just enjoying family time and togetherness. So today I will open up my gifts. Of course my daughter did hers yesterday because kids can't wait, right? So she went ahead and opened hers, started enjoying them. And now my cousin has her outside learning how to use her new scooter. So I have a little bit of time to spend with you guys. So welcome to my channel. My name is Jody. This channel is all about luxury items usually. So like my jewelry, check out my playlist. Also my sister lock journey. And now I'm adding in like more vlogs and showing you more of the behind the scenes and things of that nature. So just go ahead and check out my playlist if you want to learn more about me, see more of my content, and definitely hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're enjoying this. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I think I have maybe like 7-8 things. Let's just start with the first one because I forgot to put a name on it and someone opened it. So let's take these out. I got some AirPods Pro. So I don't know if you guys remember this other video I did with my Chanel bag and I was showing you what's in my bag and I took out these Amazon AirPods. Well, my friend Cherise, who does not care for me and the cheapness I have sometimes, she does not like my cheap tendencies. She's like, no, you can't be carrying around a $10,000 Chanel Maxi with $20 Amazon AirPods. You need the real AirPods. I'm getting them for you. So here we are. Thank you, Cherise. So sweet of you. Hopefully I'll know how to use these and I won't lose them. Yes. All right, guys. Next up, let's see what's in my stocking. Let's check out what's in my stocking. I think these are from my husband. He said one is funny. I asked him if I could open them, you know, with you guys, and he was okay with that just because, you know, it's kind of a personal moment, but then I'm sharing it with you, blah, blah, blah. And he's like, yeah, absolutely, go for it. So, this says, "You are an amazing girl." It is a collection of inspiring stories about courage, friendship, inner strength, and self-confidence. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like this page says, "Sarah's big assignment. Have you ever been afraid of doing something and worried that you wouldn't do very well?" And then it goes on to talk about having courage and so on. This is really cute. I love this. This is very appropriate for what is going on in my life right now. So, thank you. All right. Up next. This is from Neiman Marcus. It says, "A little fantasy in every gift." Let's hold on a moment. We'll open that next. And then, there's something in this little baggie here that I'm excited about. It feels like candy. Oh my god, it's candy. It's all my favorite candies. We have Snickers. We have Dove chocolates. So excited. Yay. All right, let's see what's in this Neiman Marcus envelope. And this is really cute. Got that croc skin something. And we have a $1,000 Neiman Marcus gift card. We're going shopping. We're going shopping. I'm so excited. Yay. All right, so that is my stocking. So this says from my aunt. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, it's so cozy. I don't know what it is, but it's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, she bought me a robe with the black and the hearts. Isn't this sweet? You know, I'm always doing videos and I'm wearing my robes that I've had for ages now. It was time for an upgrade. Yes! It's so plush, it's so soft, it's so nice. Alright, I'm about to have... Hold on. Let's open this box. Also, I got a gift from Riley yesterday. She made me some handmade jewelry. I'll show you a clip of it. It's so cute. She made me a bracelet and a necklace, and she enjoys doing stuff like that. So that was really cute. Alright, this box here says Tory Burch. I am not sure what is in it. It is not from Tory Burch. This is Mom's way of always recycling the boxes. Thank you, Mother. I have another robe. This one is white. So a great plush robe again. I guess, you know, my mom and my aunt watch my videos all the time, and I guess they're kind of seeing what it is that I need, and so they're helping me with my on-camera presence. And then my other friend also who saw that I needed AirPods. So I guess my videos are giving people hints of what I need in my life. So this is good. Okay, let's see what we have next. Up next. Let's see. Not sure what this is. I guess this is from Riley, you guys. Let's see what Riley put in this pink box. So from Riley, I have this cute picture of a snowman and this really cute sticker, and she got me a marker. She just likes to hand make things. She actually got like an easel and a paint set and things like that because she likes to make things and she's very, very talented. So, yes. Thank you, Riley. Up next, let us open this up. Ooh, hurt myself. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what's in here. It says it's from Mom. No, to Mom from Riley. So this is from Riley. Let's see what Riley got me. Let us see. Alright, intermission. Let me figure out how to open this box. Alright guys, I'm back. That turned out to be more than an intermission to open the box. Our neighbor gave Riley a gift. She got a unicorn purse and some other things, and she's so excited. So anyway, this is from Riley and Mom. I'm so happy. This is a olive wood napkin holder that I was looking at, and they went ahead and got it for me. Olive wood is super pretty. It's very durable. It's also a sustainable product. You guys know I'm into woody sustainable things, so this is great. This is gonna look very good on our dining table, so this is a great thing too. I'm loving the variety of stuff, right? These are also cute. All right, let us go here next. Neiman Marcus. I know what this is. I got this for myself because I'm full of it. But this is a perfume from Creed. The box is so nice, right? This is actually super pretty. All right, this is the Jardin d'Amalfi. If you watched my vlog when I went Christmas shopping, you will see the whole experience of me purchasing it at the store. Very hard to open. Okay, so here we are with our Creed Jardin d'Amalfi. This is the 250 millimeter size, so it is super big. Very nice packaging, and this size comes in the gold box, and yeah, it's so cute. Can we take this off? Let's try to take this off. Okay, we're back. That was really difficult to take off, but here we go. So I also got it engraved. It says JODI M at the top. Don't know if you could see that very well. So it opens like this. So it's a tap, not a spray. Oh my goodness, it's coming out so forcefully, yeah? It's so good. Wow. So if you don't know, Creed used to make fragrances for the royal family, and now their products are available worldwide, as you know. But they're very exquisite in the way they smell. She also gave me the sample of Love in White. And it's also a little dropper. So, yeah. Very cute. I hope I don't end up using too much because it's so wide open. It's a very open top. Alright guys, let us move on to what I think is the final gift. And I'm sure, I don't know, where did this come from? My husband was probably trying to not make it obvious what he bought me, and so he put it in this bag. So, it's from Neiman Marcus, and let's just go ahead and get excited, right? So you've probably seen my jewelry wish list. We're probably crossing something off of the wish list right now. So let's do that, and let's look at it together. Oh my God, he did not. What the heck? Oh my God. I'm literally speechless. I am speechless. I thought for sure I was getting the Van Cleef Arpels Magic Alhambra necklace in malachite, the little green one. Literally, I'm wearing this top because I swear to God that is what I was going to get, right? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it on right now and have my green nails. But Jesus, he got me the Mattia Cielo diamond hoop earrings for Christmas. Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is wow. Oh my gosh, let me turn the lights down. Guys, I don't know if you can see this well, but it's like diamonds on the inside, diamonds on the outside. Aren't these just the prettiest thing ever? They are so gorgeous, right? So they are 3.35 carat weight in diamonds. I believe that would be total for the pair. So there's like close to 1 3/4 in each one. And then they're set in 18 karat gold. They're very lightweight. And I just love them. And they're the right size, right? They're not too big. They look really good. I am speechless. I was not expecting this at all, and I'm so excited. I'm so glad I got to share this moment with you guys, and I know he's gonna watch my video later, so he will see the genuine shock on my face. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I will be uploading another video showing you what we've been doing all week for Christmas, the fun activities we have been up to, and so on. So definitely watch this space. I hope you are having a wonderful Christmas. See you guys in another video.